How to use TikTok templates. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your TikTok app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. At the bottom you'll find different options. Tap on this plus option given at the bottom middle. With that your camera will open up. Now over here you can find this option of templates. Tap on that option. Now over here you will find tons of templates options. Just swipe to the right. All these are templates you can use for making TikTok video. Just swipe to the right and go through all the templates given over here. If you are interested in any of the template, you can tap on the option of upload photos. With that your gallery will open up. From here you can select the photos required for the template. After you select it, tap on OK. Now your TikTok video is ready. At the top you can find this music option. From here you can select the music of your choice to add in your video. Likewise, at the right corner you will find different features of Facebook through which you can add text, stickers, and after you are done, tap on next. Now you can post your video. By applying the same process, you can use other templates of TikTok as well. So this is how you can use TikTok templates. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.